Yes.
Southwestern Webster Parish in northwestern Louisiana, west central Bienville Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southeastern Bossier Parish in northwestern Louisiana until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Houghton, or 11 miles east of Bossier City, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour in Bossier and Quarter-Size Hill.
Bro.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bossier City, Houghton, Ringgold, Sibley, Boyleen, Dixien, Heflin, Eastwood, Jamestown, Princeton, Curtis, Taylortown, Lake Vista South, Elm Grove, Fillmore, Bodkai, Plum Orchard Landing, Huron, Knowles Landing, and Lake Vista North. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yes.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville, Bossier, and Webster.
Bruh. Oh, wait. I can hear it in the background.
Happen to be people on the left in favor of very easy monetary policies for quite a long time. They are afraid that because the fact
Wow. That's funny. Obviously, AM multipath just is you hearing them both at the same time. So, yeah, there you guys go.